So in this video, I'm going to show you how to take records you find in Web of Science and save them to your EndNote account. If you don't know what EndNote is or you haven't used it before, you should 100% use it. It's really cool. It's software that manages citations and actually creates bibliographies for you, and you can change the citation to the proper format and everything. It's really cool. You can also use it to digitally save different records and articles that you might want to look at later, or just have that you've used, or share with people that you're working with in a project together. So we're going to do just a search demo, and I'm going to show you how to send to EndNote. So for this example, we're going to search for termites and communicat with the asterisk. So as a reminder, the asterisk here is an example of truncation. So that's going to search for any articles, including anything with that root word. So communicating, communication, communicates. And we're going to hit search. Okay, so we got 166 results. Say that we really love these top 3 articles, but we just don't have time to go through them right now, but we do want to look at them later without replicating that search or maybe losing them. Or even if we do have time to look through them, we want to save them to use them in our bibliography, right? So in that instance, we're going to check these top 3 records here, and then you want to go here to save to EndNote online. Okay, so then you need to sign into your EndNote account. Okay, so then it tells you 3 records selected. Right here, you want to do full record. So that means it's sending the full record of those 3 articles we selected to your EndNote account. Okay. So it says we sent to our EndNote account. You can see it refreshes automatically here. And now our articles have little ENs by them. So that means we've already saved them to our linked EndNote account. So if you come across these same articles in a different search, it'll have that EN next to it, and you know that you already have it saved in your EndNote account. So you don't need to worry about that. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to sort and create a bibliography using EndNote.